Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to add a payment method in your Laravel app? Today I'm going to show you how to add payment method in Laravel. First of all, install the Stripe PHP package, open your terminal and run. Next, configure your Stripe API keys in the .env file. Now create a payment from Now create a payment form where user can enter their details. Now handle the payment logic in your Laravel routes. Finally, test your setup, run your Laravel server and visit /charge to make a payment. And that's it. You have successfully added a payment method in Laravel using Stripe. Happy coding. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.